Vendor Center role in NetSuite gives your vendors access to view, search, and print purchase orders you place with them. Vendor assigned as resources on projects can also use the Vendor Center role to enter time worked on projects. To permit vendors access to NetSuite, we must first enable the vendor access feature. To do that, let us navigate to Setup, Company, and Enable Features. Click the Web Presence tab and ensure that the vendor access box is marked, then click Save. Once this is enabled, we can then assign the Vendor Center role to a vendor. Let us navigate to List, Relationships, Vendors. Click Edit on an existing vendor. Go to the Access tab and mark the Give Access box. Then scroll down to the roles, and on the role column, select the Vendor Center role that you want to assign. You may also customize the Vendor Center role to edit or remove permission. Mark the Send Notification email box to trigger NetSuite to send an email to your vendor containing the URL where they can set up their NetSuite password. Then click Save. On the Home dashboard, vendors can access the transaction history, purchase requests or orders, and enter time on the projects assigned to them. Vendors can also use the transaction search to look for specific purchase orders. Let's click on the View Transaction History link. This will lead us to the Accounts Payable register, where we can see the bills, bill credits, and bill payments related to the vendor. This will allow them to view and verify at any time the total outstanding balance payable to them. Now let us click on the View Purchase Request Orders. This will show the list of purchase orders related to that vendor. You can also see the status of the orders, and you also have the ability to print the purchase order. Going back to the Home dashboard, the vendor can use the Transaction Search portlet to look for specific purchase orders. They just need to fill up the information needed, then click Search.